What's up, people? Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I know you guys probably haven't figured out your gifts yet. Just kidding. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys this really simple gift idea. So first, you'll need to go buy a box of chocolates. I got this really large one just because I wanted to fit quite a bit of stuff inside of it. Some crinkle paper and some shots. Just get some assorted alcohol shooters. I just got these from my local gas station, and just know that you need to be 21 or older to purchase. And lastly, you guys will need these cute love coupons that I designed. I'll leave a link in the description box so you guys can download them and print them out for this gift box. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is completely empty out this box of chocolates. So go ahead and eat them up. Do whatever you need to do to get rid of these chocolates. Once the evidence is gone, we can go ahead and start adding our tinsel paper to the bottom of this gift box. So just fluff it up, spread it out, make sure it's nice and even. And now we can start adding our liquor. So I'm just going to start roughly placing these into position, making sure that they're all evenly spaced out, and you don't want to have two fireballs next to each other. Next, I'm going to start digging a little nest for each of these little liquor bottles because I want them to stay in position, and I also don't want them to be taller than the height of our box. I was having a little trouble with this Kraken bottle because it's much bigger than the other bottles, and it was kind of sticking up higher than the box, so that just means I'm going to have some trouble closing the box at the bottom. But we'll figure it out. So I'm just continuing through, nesting all these little bottles, making sure they're nice and neat. And once they're all in position, the last thing we need to do is add our love coupons. So I'm just going to drop these right in the center and then seal up our box. So as I was telling you guys earlier, the bottom of the box wasn't closing because that big Kraken bottle. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tie this box up with some ribbon. So I'm going to carefully flip over the box, making sure I don't move any of the bottles. Then I'm going to secure the ribbon with a couple pieces of tape before I double knot it. I'm using tape so that the ribbon doesn't slide down when I start to tie it. I'm going to add one more ribbon along the top and bottom and do the same process, just taping it and then double knotting it. And I actually decided to add a couple pieces of tape to the middle of the knots as well, just to make sure that it doesn't move at all. And there you go. You can go ahead and add a ribbon to the front if you want, add a card, but this is the final product. You'll have a lot of fun partying with this box of chocolates. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Let me know if your Valentine enjoyed, and until next time, peace out.